SS8CG3 Analyze the role of the executive branch in Georgia state government. Element B, describe how the executive branch fulfills its role through state agencies that administer programs and enforce laws. Our learning target, I will explain how the executive branch completes its duties through the state agencies. The responsibility of the executive branch is to enforce the law. To be able to completely do this, in addition to the governor and the lieutenant governor, there are other individuals that make up the executive branch. The Constitution requires voters to elect 6 department heads. Georgia also allows the public to elect the Attorney General and the state school superintendent. State agencies that administer programs and enforce laws include the Office of the Secretary of State. The Secretary of State, an elected position, is the keeper of Georgia's Great Seal and the custodian of the state flag and other state symbols. A major role of this office is it provides supervision and monitoring of elections in the state. The Attorney General. The Attorney General is an elected position. It is the state's chief legal officer. As the advisor to the executive branch, the Attorney General's office deals with contracts and legal concerns for the state. The State Department of Education. The Department of Education is led by the state school superintendent, an elected official. The state school superintendent is the chief executive officer of the state's Board of Education. The Department of Insurance. The commissioner is an elected position, licenses and regulates insurance companies in the state to guarantee that insurance rates, rules, and forms comply with the state law. This office investigates concerns of insurance fraud. The Department of Agriculture. The Commissioner of Agriculture is an elected position. It is responsible for regulating and promoting Georgia's agricultural industry. The Department of Labor. The Commissioner of Labor, an elected position, is responsible for the administration of the state's workforce programs. Some other agencies that fall under the executive branch include the Department of Transportation. The Georgia Department of Transportation is responsible for planning, constructing, and maintaining Georgia's roads and highways. The Department of Economic Development. This department is responsible for encouraging economic development in the state. The Department of Natural Resources. This department administers and enforces the laws that relate to Georgia's natural resources. The Department of Public Safety. This department was established to protect Georgia's citizens and their property. It oversees the Georgia State Patrol, the Capitol Police, and the Motor Carrier Compliance Division. The Public Service Commission. They monitor the safe, dependable, and reasonably priced telecommunications, electric, and natural gas services for competent companies. The Department of Revenue. This department administers the tax laws within the state. The Georgia Bureau of Investigation. This agency provides assistance to the state's criminal justice system in the areas of criminal investigation, forensic laboratory services, and computerized criminal justice information. The Georgia Forestry Commission. This agency seeks to protect and conserve Georgia's forest resources. The Department of Juvenile Justice. This department seeks to hold young offenders accountable for their actions and to be supportive of the youth in their communities so they become productive citizens. The Board of Regents. The board oversees public colleges and universities that make up the university system of Georgia and has oversight to the Georgia Archives and the Georgia Public Library System. The Department of Corrections. This department protects Georgia's citizens by operating safe and secure facilities while reducing the tendency of a criminal to reoffend. The State Board of Pardons and Paroles. This board is responsible for reviewing requests of parole, pardons, reprieves, remissions, and computations. They can restore civil and political rights for released offenders.